Are you aware that your garage door could transform your home's energy efficiency and comfort? Insulated garage doors are not just a luxury, they are a valuable investment for homeowners. These doors offer exceptional temperature control, noise reduction, and robust durability that many overlook. In cities like Dallas, where temperatures swing dramatically, insulation is crucial for indoor climate stability. Imagine a garage that stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter with minimal energy use. Noise can be a significant distraction, but insulated garage doors can create a tranquil environment for you. With multiple layers of insulation, these doors are built to withstand daily wear and tear over time. Curb appeal matters. An attractive garage door can significantly enhance your property's overall value. Frequent garage door maintenance is inevitable, but insulated models often require fewer repairs than standard ones. Ready to elevate your living space? Choosing the right insulated garage door is pivotal for your comfort.